Hey guys! Welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to create an Elevate Pay account in Bangladesh. So let's get started. To create your Elevate Pay account in Bangladesh, start by visiting the official Elevate Pay website or downloading the app, and then click on the Get Started or Sign Up option. First, enter your basic details, such as your full name, email address, and create a strong password. After that, verify your email or phone number by entering the code you receive. Once your account is created, the next important step is completing the identity verification process, which is required before you can start using the account. In Bangladesh, Elevate Pay requires you to upload 3 main types of documents: proof of identity, proof of address, and proof of income. For identity verification, you can use your passport, old NID, or smart NID card. For proof of address, you can submit a bank statement or utility bill that clearly shows your name and address. And for proof of income, you can upload a freelance contract, invoice, or earning statement, depending on how you earn online. Make sure all your documents are clear, valid, and match your personal details exactly to avoid rejection. You may also be asked to complete a selfie or additional verification step. After submitting everything, your application will be reviewed, and once approved, your Elevate Pay account will be fully activated. After that, you can start receiving international payments and withdraw them to your local bank account in Bangladesh. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.